Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or activate camera for Snapchat, how to access to camera in Snapchat in iOS and as well as Android devices. When we launch Snapchat and it says unable to access camera, now tap OK and force close the Snapchat app and launch settings. We have to scroll, find and tap on Snapchat. Under Snapchat, we have to make sure that camera is enabled for Snapchat. Then go back to settings and tap screen time. Now tap content and privacy restrictions and tap allow app and enable camera under allow app. Now force close the settings, launch Snapchat, and your problem will be fixed. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.